So on Friday, I brought the cast here for the first time, which was very exciting. And today is my first visit to visit the crew and see how they're getting on with the build. And I have to say, when I was walking to that space, it looked like they were setting up for an ACD concert. And I thought, oh my God, this is actually 4150, which was an incredible thrill to see all these people kind of busy putting up the video, putting up the truss, building furniture, putting up the lighting. You know, it was so exciting. It was almost like hit me. I was going, oh my God, you know, this is actually 4150 for National Theatre Wales, for Theatre Genedlaeth y Cymru, for SOC, and I just suddenly hit me how actually excited I am to see this come to life in such a short amount of time. And you know, Friday there was nothing, and they only started in 2 days. Everything is coming together, so it's extremely exciting.
So why have you picked such a large building for the project?
I picked a large building because it is an epic story and deserves a kind of epic space. And this is a huge space, and also the metaphor, you know, it's the Royal Opera House, and as a metaphor it's where kind of fantasy on an epic scale is kind of stored, maintained and preserved, and is the perfect metaphor for the colony, for y wladfa.
Who's ACD? I thought they were ACDC.
Did I say ACD?